Abima go thief aeroplane. Waka enter one of these major airlines with my suit and tie. Content sabi aerodynamics engineer. From there I go content and see the last plane where I fixed day for US currently. Before you know, they will go show me where they line up their most expensive fleet. Once I enter the cockpit like this, I'll content they made a go buy roasted corn and go Fanta for me, ma take wash eye as I dey repair the aeroplane.
One man.
As they come out like this, I'll just rush start the aeroplane, carrier enter air, and by then I go down tie rope, connect like 2 other expensive airplane. 2 seconds, I don't carry 3 flights, vanish into the thin air.
Thunder fire you.
Straight to North Korea, na that kind business that they like. No, I know if I succeed, I should be coming back home with roughly $93.649 trillion. Kim Jong-un vibes all the way. Sharp. Diplomatic idea.
You see this business, if you won't go do one, no problem. Go to do one alone.